Now it's February 8th, and you realize you made an error on the bill from Nordic Realty, invoice F-19. We need to change the amount from $850 to $800. So this is basically just giving you a practice and teaching you how to correct errors. In QuickBooks, one of the best ways to learn QuickBooks is to make errors and then figure out how to correct them. So there are 3 steps to correct errors in QuickBooks. 1, you need to find the transaction. 2, once you find it, you open it by double-clicking the transaction. 3, make the correction and then save the transaction. So we need to find this Nordic Realty transaction with invoice F-19. So the best way to find this is first to answer this question. Is Nordic Realty a vendor or a customer? This is always the first question I ask students when we're trying to troubleshoot something. Well, we've not learned about customers. So Nordic is a vendor. So we're going to click on the vendors center. Then we're going to find Nordic over here. We're going to single click Nordic Realty. And now their transactions are appearing over here. Now, if you don't see the transaction that you're looking for, make sure this says all transactions and make sure this says all, because remember, this is often set to this fiscal year, which will filter out most transactions. So here's the bill F-19 that we need to correct. So to correct it, we need to open it. And to open it, you use the drill down procedure called double clicking. Now we've opened it. Now I can make the correction. So it should have been 800. So I need to change that to 800. Now I'm going to click on a different field or tab away from that. Now notice this has updated automatically when I tabbed to another field or I clicked on another field. So this number and this number have to be the same amount. If they're not, QuickBooks would give us an error message. For example, I'm going to make this an obvious error, and then I'm going to try to save it with this button up here and watch what QuickBooks does. Are you sure you want to save? Yes. It says, whoa, dude, your transaction is not in balance. Make sure the amounts in the detail area on the form for this transaction equal the amount at the top of the form. So they're just reminding you that this and this need to be the same. So now they're the same. Now I can click Save and Close. Yes, I do want to record my changes.